If you want to know my secret to actually getting things done as a mama, it is baby wearing. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to wrap your baby easily. Now, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when all my new videos come out. Now, the first thing to baby wearing is to finding the tag. You have to find the middle so that you don't have an uneven wrap on either side. So once you find that tag, and every baby wrap has it in the exact middle of the wrap, you'll want to shake out the wrap and then place that tag right on your belly button. Now, I like to place my wrap a little bit further down on my hips just to give me a little bit more support. Pull both of the sides of your wrap towards your back and make an X. This does not have to be perfect, and you might have a little bit of a bunch in the back, but that is okay. It doesn't have to be completely flat. Just make an X that's tight enough that doesn't cause the bottom to slip. Take each side and tuck it under your front wrap. That's going to help build out the foundation of this wrap. And you're gonna do that on both sides, trying to make it as flat as possible. But again, you'll probably be doing this by yourself, so it does not need to be perfect. Now, once you have that, you're going to make an X again, now in the front, pull it and wrap it around your back, and go ahead and tie it in the front. This does not need to be super tight, but it also shouldn't be very loose because you're gonna be putting your baby in this area of the wrap. Now, as you can see, it is a little loose in the front, and that's okay because you need space for your baby. If your baby's a little bit smaller, feel free to pull that tighter. You can adjust this as much as you need, but it's pretty simple and straightforward once you get it going that first time. Now for the fun part, which is putting your baby into the wrap. Make sure baby is chest to chest with you, and we're gonna focus on legs first. One leg should go under one strap of the baby wrap, support their neck through this, and then the other leg goes through the other wrap. Whatever strap is on the bottom, you'll want to just go ahead and cover their body with that first, and then wrap the other side over that. Then take both of their legs and put them inside of the bottom flap of your wrap. This is going to keep them nice and snug and secure. You don't have to have their legs out at the bottom, but if they do have longer legs or they are just not snug, they want to stretch out a little bit, that is absolutely fine. What I like to do when my baby is asleep, just to really allow me to have no hands, is to put their head, the side of their head, underneath that wrap, but also making sure to rotate them so that they don't get stiff or stuck on one side. When I tell you, as a mama of multiple children, this has been my life saver. It has literally allowed me to do so many things, including nursing my baby with no hands. I know this may sound weird, but I have pulled out my breast, allowed my baby to nurse in the midst of doing dishes, going grocery shopping, and nobody ever knew because I could cover up the side of their head and position them in a place where they were comfortable, I was comfortable, and nobody was in my business. And that is just one of many benefits of baby wearing. Okay, y'all, that is how you baby wrap. I hope that you found this video helpful. Rewatch it as many times as you need, and I will see you on the next one.